Welcome to Matt's Money Minute.
Perfect.
Big ears, swipe left. Awkward smile, swipe left. Crazy eyes. No, I'm kidding. I don't actually, I got married well before the dating app craze, so I don't actually use a dating app. But some people do think that it's actually almost more difficult to find a financial advisor than it is to find a significant other. And so today I wanted to put together a few tips to try to help you if you're trying to navigate and find the perfect match for a financial advisor. First of all, it should be a little less stressful than finding a significant other. Likely you're not having to do like a Netflix and chill night with your financial advisor, so a little less pressure and can be lower stakes. But one of the things that I tell people, and I tell people this with a lot of things, is trust your gut. If you have an uneasy feeling going into something, you really need to re-examine what you're about to do and make sure you address why you feel uneasy. Don't just jump right in. Make sure you listen to your gut a little bit because it's telling you something for a reason. The second thing is communication. Do you understand what your advisor is saying to you? And if you don't, do you feel comfortable asking them to clarify until you do? You don't want to start off a relationship when somebody's speaking a lingo that you're not familiar with and they can't speak in a way that you're understanding them. Likely that's not very helpful. The third thing is expectations. You want to know what you expect as well as what you can expect from your advisor. Are you going in expecting to do a weekly meeting to review all your expenses and really you just you do an annual review every 6th year? That's not really, you want to make sure you're on the same page on that before you jump into a relationship. Another thing is experience. And in experience, you can have too much experience. That's where you might have so much experience that you're about to experience retirement yourself. And maybe starting that relationship with somebody who's in that league could be a little more difficult because you could have to change into a new relationship at some point. But on the other hand, you definitely don't want your nephew, who's always been a little awkward and just got his securities license, to learn how to manage finances on your account. So make sure you find the proper amount of experience and somebody who's a good fit for you. Another thing is fees. Advisors are paid and sometimes overpaid to do what they do. And just make sure that your financial professional can explain to you how they are compensated and what you're paying for the different services that they're doing. So I hope some of these things are helpful as you navigate finding the right financial professional for your own needs. I do place a lot of the blame on the financial profession for really not doing a fantastic job of connecting with people and letting them know, hey, we care, and here's some ways we're going to help guide you to a healthy financial future. So, thank you.